Have you ever helped people so much that they stopped respecting you? What if being always available becomes the reason you get used? And what if the twist is the person you saved is the one who hurt you most? Once upon a time, in a small and crowded American town, there lived a very poor teenage boy named Ryan. He was 17, thin from skipped meals, and he wore the same faded dark green hoodie every day because it was the warmest thing he had. Ryan lived in a tiny apartment with his mother and little sister above an old discount store. The ceiling had stains, and the fridge was often half empty. His mother cleaned offices at night, coming home with tired eyes and sore hands. Ryan helped by working after school at a small grocery store. Still, he studied late at night because he had one dream: a scholarship, so his mother could finally rest. Ryan was the type of boy who said yes too fast, not because he was weak, but because he was scared of losing people. At school, Ryan was known as the helpful one. If someone forgot a pen, Ryan shared. If someone needed homework notes, Ryan sent them. He thought kindness would bring him safety. But the truth was, people didn't love him for who he was. They loved him for what he could do. Ryan did not notice it at first. Some days he skipped his own dinner so his sister could eat, then went to school tired and still smiled. He believed if he kept giving, life would finally give something back. One day, a student named Logan started talking to Ryan. Logan was popular, loud and confident, but he also had problems, missing assignments and constant trouble. Logan looked at Ryan like Ryan was a solution. "Man, you're smart," Logan said. "I need you. You're like my only real friend." Those words hit Ryan's heart hard. Soon, Logan asked for help every day. Ryan said yes again and again, and Ryan kept running to solve Logan's problems, even when it started hurting his own life. If you love emotional English stories like this, subscribe to English Story Academy channel for emotional, interesting, and powerful B1, B2 English listening stories with real-life lessons. As weeks passed, Ryan's grades began to drop. He stayed up late doing Logan's work. He stopped studying for himself. Even his mother noticed the dark circles under his eyes. Logan kept taking more. First it was notes, then money. Ryan didn't have extra money, but he still gave it. Then Logan started using Ryan's phone for 1 minute. Ryan felt uncomfortable, but Logan laughed it off. Deep inside, Ryan felt something heavy. His kindness had turned into something people expected. The scholarship application day finally came. Ryan had waited for this moment for years. That morning, Ryan walked into school and felt something wrong. A teacher called him to the office. The counselor showed Ryan a report. Someone had used his school account to cheat and send test answers. The account name was Ryan's. Ryan's heart stopped. Then the counselor said the scholarship committee had been notified. Ryan suddenly understood the truth. Logan had used his phone many times. Logan didn't need a friend. He needed a cover. Ryan felt something break inside him. He had given everything to someone who never respected him. That night, Ryan sat quietly in his room. He felt tired but not defeated. He checked his phone's login history. He saved proof. The next morning, he asked the school to check the device logs and hallway cameras. The investigation showed the login came from Logan's device. Logan tried to deny it, but the proof was clear. Ryan's record was cleared, and the scholarship application reopened. Ryan learned something important. Being kind does not mean accepting abuse. Saying no is protection. Life did not suddenly become easy. Ryan was still poor, but he changed in a powerful way. He still helped people, but only those who respected him. He stopped doing favors that hurt his own future. Months later, Ryan received a letter. He won a small scholarship. His mother cried quietly at the kitchen table. Ryan understood the lesson that saved his future. When you are always available, people learn to use you. But when you set boundaries, the right people stay, and the wrong people disappear. Moral of the story: kindness is powerful, but boundaries protect it. If you don't respect your time, others won't either. Subscribe to English Story Academy channel for more emotional, interesting B1, B2 English listening stories with strong life lessons.